Hello YouTubers, welcome to another episode, and today we are going to learn how to do masking on Moho. Okay, we have got the car which is already rigged, so I'm just going to show you. This is going to be a very quick video. Okay, so what do we mean by masking? So masking is when you are trying to hide something. For example, when you do a head turn or anything, and then you want to hide the eyes while the person turning on the side. The same here, we've got a car here, and then if I'm going to rig this car, I'm just gonna go to this car, and then let's say I'm going to frame 6, and then I do car turn. Okay, so let's manipulate this. When I manipulate, you can see the left light disappears. Okay, so the left light disappears. We don't know where it has gone. Okay, let me switch off first the lights, and now we can see it much more clear. Okay, I'm gonna return back the car, and I'm gonna turn it back to the other side. Okay, or perhaps maybe when it does a turn, we need to turn like this maybe. Okay, and when it reaches here, then we can return the wheel back here. Okay, so as you can see, the left light has gone. So this is the reason for this video. So how do we do mask? All right, so let's see how we can do that. Okay, the easiest way to do it, so for example, if I'm going to draw a shape here, this is the first shape. Let's call it number 1, shape 1, and then I'm going to add another vector and S2, and this one we are going to draw again another shape, maybe here. Okay, and then let's change color of the shape so that we can see it clear. Okay, so now if I move this, you can see that it can go all the way inside and out, and you can see it. If I group this shape, group with selection, and call it maybe circles. Okay, and then now if I double click that and masking, and then I said hide all, let's see. Now I click hide all. Which one is the shape 1? This is the shape 2. If I move, it disappears. You can see it. And this is good if you do like eyes, maybe move around the eyes like this. Guys, if you made all this way, then it's time to subscribe so that you don't miss next tutorial. And thanks for watching, and if this helped you, please share, like, and put a comment. And if you have got any suggestion or any other type of video you want, then just put a comment, and any character I'm using, they will be available in my website. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye.